If Photoshop has been acting strange lately, maybe your tools are not responding properly, panels have disappeared, shortcuts are not working the way they used to, or everything just feels off, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset Photoshop to its default settings directly from inside the app. This is the safest and easiest method, and it only takes a minute. Resetting Photoshop can fix many common glitches and performance issues without uninstalling anything. Make sure you watch until the end so you understand what gets reset and what does not. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. This method works for recent versions of Photoshop, including Creative Cloud versions in 2026 and later. Once Photoshop is fully open, look at the very top of your screen where the main menu bar is located. If you are using Windows, click on Edit. If you are using a Mac, click on Photoshop in the top left corner next to the Apple logo. After clicking Edit on Windows or Photoshop on Mac, scroll down and hover over Preferences. A side menu will appear. From that list, click on General. This will open the main Preferences window, where Photoshop stores all of its behavior settings, tool options, interface customizations, and performance configurations. Inside the Preferences window, make sure you are in the General tab. Now look all the way down at the bottom of this window. You will see a button labeled Reset Preferences on Quit. This is the key option we are looking for. Go ahead and click on Reset Preferences on Quit. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will ask you to confirm that you want to delete the current settings file the next time the application closes. Simply click OK to confirm. Nothing will change immediately, and that is normal. The reset does not happen until you fully close Photoshop. Now completely close the Photoshop application. Make sure it is not running in the background. Once it is fully closed, open Photoshop again. When it restarts, all preferences will be restored to their original default factory settings, just like when you first installed the program. It is important to understand what this reset actually affects. This process will reset your custom workspace layouts, any keyboard shortcuts you created, performance settings such as memory allocation, interface tweaks, and individual tool preferences. However, it will not delete your Photoshop projects. It will not remove installed fonts, and it will not uninstall plugins. Your actual files and creative work remain completely safe. And that is it. A simple, clean reset directly from inside Photoshop that can solve a surprising number of issues. If this video helped you fix your Photoshop problems, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.